Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today's episode, we're gonna do a head swap. I broke this with the candle demolding, and it made me start thinking. I think that would be cool. So here we go. We're gonna mold this, ComposiMold, and then we're gonna resin it up. We're just gonna do a rubber band belt, shall we? And today we're going to be using some brand spanking new ComposiMold. This is my favorite thing. Brand new. Oh, it's so nice. Start out with 3 of these. I'm going to put this in the microwave 30 seconds and check it out. Here it is after 30 seconds. We'll go 30 more. Here is a minute total. We are going to use the Bubble Buster. This helps to prevent bubbles from the mold from attaching to the thing. And I should have done it once again before I put it in there, but I keep forgetting to use it. Alright. Right. See, we got a couple chunks in there still. And it's just fine, just stir them up. I'm gonna go put this in the freezer. So, I considered putting this in a can in case it spilled, and then went against it, and once you pour the resin in there, you can't really put it in a can. So the end result, you want to kind of just take your time, it'll come off. There we go. After I noticed the leak, I put the rubber band on to try to stiffen the flow a little bit. It worked a little bit. I took a card or something and was scraping up the wet resin and pouring it back into the top to try to save it. The resin got down to about halfway in the mold before it stopped. And look at that, oh my. You know, when the resin was pouring, I could see it through the thing. It wasn't getting in there. I was pushing on it, you know. In fact, it didn't even go up into the hand too much, but trying to squeeze the air out. It was just a bad place for the arm. You see as the resin's coming up. You can see the bubbles there too. I should hit the chin. Bubbles come and then collected here. Probably would have been good probably on that third finger to have it actually touching the shell, and that would have gave a cavity for the air to go back out. But, you know, we learn through doing. It's fine. Hey, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.